guys, this is Gurung family adventures. Me and brother in our car. And today solidly we are going Gorubathan. Other things. Burger. Done.
Only all are junk foods.
That's not junk foods. Today summer day.
Burger, pizza, they all are junk foods. You should
Summer
eat
day
healthy
we eat junk food. Summer day I eat junk food.
food. Our national bird is
Our natural bird is peacock.
national animal,
Natural animal tiger.
national fruit.
Natural food pumpkin. Oh,
That is, vegetable is pumpkin. Fruit.
Barsa.
Mango.
Okay.
This is not water in the road. That is, if there is tree and there is outside sun, that is tree shadow.
Okay. Umang, what are you eating?
Kenapa? This is the year of one.
Ah.
Ama ya Gorubathan mountain side.
Ya, beraja Gorubathan.
We are going to Gur.
Finally we reached picnic spot. Go.
Merah abu mang डुब्छ We are stuck in the car. There is rain outside. We cannot go.
Yes, no? River is there, but we cannot play water also. It's raining.
Because it's raining. Flood is coming. Inchina, there is foggy also outside.
Yeah.
And we are stuck in the car.
So now, are you hungry?
I'm not hungry. I ate already.
What did you eat?
I eat biscuit. First I eat biscuit. Second banana. Again biscuit. Oh Lord, this is very big hailstones. After the rain, I'm hungry. So I'm moving to the salt shop food. Appa, the tea has arrived. Hey, food. Continue to drink, but our food has arrived. Ha ha.
Cheese. Ito. Gusto sa?
So that ends our trip. See you again. Like and subscribe.